How to change the appearance of your caller information. This is for the Galaxy A15 smartphone. And let's just say you're in a call and you want to show the name, number, or the call time here. This is where you can go to change these appearances. On your Galaxy A15 smartphone, make sure you're using the dialer app that your Samsung phone came with. And when you're in this view mode here, you want to tap on these three dots right up there to the top right. As you're there, go to settings. And from the main settings section here, you'll see call settings and you'll go down until you see caller information. As you're in this section here, this is where you can make changes to these appearances. Okay, so you have the profile picture size. So whoever you are viewing right now with their photo icon here, you can go with the small version here or the large, which is default. Then you got show contacts phone number. If you want the number to be shown, you'll turn it on. If not, it will be gone. And finally, like the details such as the last time talked, dates, and all that stuff, this little section right there, if that's off, that's not going to show. If it's on, it will show. Same with the contacts numbers. Okay, so if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.